Across communities, health challenges are shared. Stress, inflammation, digestive discomfort, weak immunity. Our modern lives pull us further from nature, and our bodies feel the difference. But nature has always offered support. Herbal plants have long helped the body restore balance, gently, naturally, and over time. When life moves faster, the body asks for balance.
Herbs have long been used to support everyday wellness. The Philippines is rich in medicinal plants with powerful healing potential. Yet for years, their development remained limited, held back by lack of research, low technology, and weak supply chains. Born of necessity rather than mere commerce, Herbanext began its journey 25 years ago. From the rich volcanic soils of Negros Island to the whole archipelago, Herbanext brought science and social responsibility to the herbal industry, reaching wellness next to nature. For the last 25 years, the development of Philippine herbal products was once constrained by gaps in value, systems, standards, and science. Herbanext addressed each one by one.
Consumers place their trust in products they know, in names, in packaging, and in promises backed by familiarity. Meanwhile, medicinal herbs which grow in abundance around us remain unrecognized, and in that gap, and the public's lack of realization, natural solutions for today's health challenges wait quietly to be discovered.
Modern drug products have earned the public's trust through science and consistency. Herbal plants are not here to replace them, but to work alongside them. Carefully grown and responsibly processed, medicinal plants nourish wellness, empower communities, and connect people to nature.
Today, only a small percentage of the country remains forested, much of it under the care of indigenous community. While many Filipinos benefit from our medicinal plant resources, we fail to recognize our shared responsibility in its protection. The farming of medicinal herbs in the Philippines is largely a small farmer enterprise. Prices are low because the value chain is undeveloped. Without stable income, families are forced to clear forest land to supplement their income. Herbanext chooses a different path. We work with small farmers to make them more efficient and their enterprises more profitable. So when livelihood succeeds, the surrounding forest remains standing.
Herbanext, now in partnership with its sister company, 𝗷𝗵𝙀 Corporation, built long-term partnership with small farmers, ensuring traceability, stability, and respect for the land. By working with these farmers, we help conserve nature, prevent deforestation, and create sustainable livelihoods. Every medicinal plant tells the story of care, from seed to harvest, from community to the forest.
The therapeutic quality of medicinal plants depend mainly on 4 factors. First is the quality of raw material, meaning their content of active ingredients and their suitability for human consumption. Second is the post-harvest processing. This is about how well processes protect the active constituents from degrading. Third is the extraction technology, which reflects on how well the desired medicinal compounds in the plant are extracted, leaving behind those that are not needed. Finally, the fourth is the dosage formulation and manufacturing. That is about making sure that the product contains the right dose of active compounds consistently. Herbanext delivers all the 4 in a standardized product that is safe and effective.
Standardization is not about altering nature. It's about protecting what matters, so every product delivers the same chemistry, the same potency, and the same results.
By standardizing our processes, we transformed natural variability into consistent, effective products batch after batch. For over 25 years, Herbanext has grown from trusted food supplements to clinically developed herbal drugs, driven by continuous research and development. Through rigorous R&D, formulation science, and clinical collaboration, we transform traditional plants into evidence-based, effective solutions with the same promise: potency you can trust, wellness you can experience. This commitment allows us to help more people, safely, reliably, and at scale. It proves that when science and care for nature come together, wellness doesn't just promise results, it delivers them.
After 25 years, this mission has continued. Herbanext saw opportunity where others saw limits. The science-guided processes and care for natural resources, Herbanext delivers consistent, safe herbal products, bringing nature closer to consumers every day. And it's a different shape by 25 years of working next to nature.